Hi, this is Brian here from Echuca Website Design. Here's another video in our series of how to use your WordPress website videos. This time we're going to show you how to embed a picture from Flickr that is hosted on Flickr into your website. So when I say embed, we're going to get the code for that picture and put it into our blog posts or our website posts. But we're not actually going to put the picture in there, just the code that refers to the picture, but we will see the picture in our website. So first we need to log in to Flickr. So we've already made a Flickr account, so we will find Flickr and log into it. We're going to use the Echuca Animal Rescue Service account today. They've been kind enough to let me use their account. So we're on the main page of Flickr. We go to the top right hand corner, it says sign in. Click on sign in. And as you'll see, the details come up in the Yahoo ID here and the password because I've been here before. So I believe that they are correct. These details will be in any text file that we send you with the passwords in it if you get us to do your website. So you will have all these passwords. So we go sign in. And there we are. Now, before we start, we're going to say, okay, so here's a photo that's already there. Now we could use that photo, but we actually want a cat photo. So we've got our cat photo on our computer. So we're going to go to up here where it says upload photos and video. We're going to click on that. It says choose photos and videos. So we're going to click on that. Aha, we're on my computer now. Let's go to my photo library and we'll find a photo of a cat, and I think this is a good one. No, this one here. Now notice it's 45 kilobits. It's a JPEG file, and that's the size of the file, so that'll be a good size. Let's click on the open button, and there it is. Now we want to set the privacy for the file. Is it going to be private, visible to friends, family, or is it public? We're going to make it public, and we're going to upload the photo. Okay, so the photo is now uploading and just about finished by the look of it. There you have it. Now, while we're going to add a description and we're going to put some tags in it. So first we'll do the title of the photo, which is just underneath the photo here, and we'll call this Fluffy the cat. This is a nice picture of Fluffy, our cat. And the tags, well, we can either type the tags in here or we just go up the top here. This is easier. And we'll go, well, he's a cat, so we'll put that in with a comma after it. And then we'll say Fluffy, and it's a tabby cat. Oh, tabby. What else? That'll do us. Click on the add button and you'll notice the tabs, or the tags, come down the bottom here. Alright, now we'll add this photo to a set. You don't have any sets yet. Alright, so let's create a new set. Let's call this the cat set. Okay, or cats. Photos of cats. Create sets. There we go. And now we've added this photo to that set when we click on the button down here that says save. So we'll click that. Ta-da! And there you have it, Fluffy the cat. Now we want to get the code for Fluffy to add to our WordPress website. So let's click on Fluffy's picture. And there you have it. It's a nice picture of Fluffy. Now we can do all sorts of things here, but all we're interested in is getting the code. So we go to the right hand side of the page opposite the title of the picture. It says share this. We click on share this and it gives us some options. What we want is to grab the HTML. So we'll click on that. Now we can click our mouse, our left mouse button in this field here, and depending on your computer and your browser, that will select all of that code. Or what you can do, which is what I'm doing now, is you left click at the very start and hold the left mouse down and drag it right through to the end. All right. Now all of that code there is now highlighted. So now we right click and go copy. Or you can go Control and hold the Control key down and hit the C key, which is the same thing on your keyboard. So we've got the code for Fluffy's picture. Now let us go back to our Echuca Animal Rescue Service WordPress website. Now you may remember in a previous video this is where I did a post. Okay, now instead of where it says I have written many posts, that is where I'm going to paste the photo. Alright, so I'm not actually going to go over the top of this section here like this because I'm in what's called the visual mode. I need to be in HTML mode because of the code that I have to paste. So now I'm in HTML mode. This is the code behind the page that you don't see that tells everything what to do. So see where it says P style text align center strong, I have written many posts. This is where what I want to replace. And in actual fact, I'm going to leave this P style text align center here because that'll help us to center the photo, which will look good. So all I did was press the enter key. I didn't actually need to do that. All I wanted to do was paste in. So let me just go back. So now I will just right click on that highlighted section. Remember, I've dragged the mouse over it to highlight it like so. I will right click on it and I will paste the code that we've copied, and there it is. Now if we want to check what it looks like before we do anything, let's go to visual mode. Aha, there's Fluffy the cat. Beautiful, that's just what we want. So now we click on update. Okay, and there you have it. Fluffy is a new post. Now let's view the post. Let's go to the website front page and see what it looks like. There it is, Fluffy the cat. Beautiful. So that's how you do it. Let's hit the back button. And of course we can make changes and go update again if we want, or we can preview changes, whatever we need. But that's all for me, Brian at Echuca Website Design.